In a pan on low flame, add in 4 tablespoons of cashews, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Fry for a minute. Now we add in half a cup of dry coconut. Fry this for 2 minutes. Then turn off the flame and cool it completely. To this I'm adding 4 slit green chilies, adding in a bit of water, and we'll blend this all together to a fine paste like this. In the same pan, add in 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 sliced green capsicum. Fry this till it turns light brown on the edges like this. Okay, so you can see it's turned light brown here and there. Now this is the time when we turn off the flame and keep this aside. Now in the pan I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of oil, adding in 1 large finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry this till onions are light brown. Once they are, I'm adding in half a cup of frozen peas. Combine well. Add in 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt as per taste. Combine all this well and fry in for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add in 4 medium blended tomatoes. Add in some water to the blender, add it back here. Combine well, and we'll boil this for 10 minutes on low medium flame. After 10 minutes, then adding in the blended paste, some water back there and put it here. Combine it once again. Boil it for 10 minutes on low medium flame. After 10 minutes, you can see that the gravy has thickened here. It should not be too watery. Add in the fried capsicum, two tablespoons of red chili powder. Combine well, and we'll cover and cook this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's completely done. Give it a mix. Turn off the flame and add in 2 tablespoons of ghee and garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. So it is ready to be served.